It's your girl Asia. I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be about how to make money. So I'm going to be talking about side hustles that you can do to make you some of this. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing that you can do is you can babysit, dog sit, house sit, whatever, anything, sitting, babysitting. You can find that on care.com, and you have to make sure that you're at least 18, and you have to have a clean background. So look around, see if you know somebody needs somebody to babysit their child or anything, and you just might find somebody that needs to have a babysitter over the weekend. And also what's good about this is you can do it on your own time. Another thing that you can do is Poshmark. If you heard this already, I'm sorry, but for the people who don't know about Poshmark is a place where you can sell your stuff, like clothes, cases. Basically what I'm doing is I have a whole bunch of cases that I have, and if I don't want them anymore, I'm going to sell them. If I have clothes that don't fit anymore, I'm going to sell them on Poshmark. There's other apps like Mercari, Let Go, but basically I don't want to see anybody, so I don't want to have to meet you. No. So you can sell them and ship it. You have to ship it. Another thing that you can do is surveys. Some survey sites actually do pay if you're consistent. I'm not consistent, I wouldn't recommend it, but if you're consistent and you have patience, do surveys. You can find a lot of them online. But I'll put links down below in the description box if I find some that actually, work out that way. Uber Eats, Lyft, Postmates. If you have a car, those are great for you. I know that when I get my car, I'm gonna most definitely do those because I hear they pay very well. And if they don't, tell me in the description box below how you feel about it. You be a freelance writer. There's a site that you can go on that you have to be 18 to use it. You have to be 18, and you have to have your W-9, etc. So you write for companies, but they interview you to see how good you write, and you can only go up from there. You can only go up. If you don't get it, you can always reapply next week. Esty. I heard about Esty. If you're really creative, you craft a lot, Esty is for you. If you're really good at crafts and etc., you should most definitely use Esty. And you can sell them on there. So here's new ones. If you've never heard of it, Relode. So basically, you're hooking up you're hooking up employers with job applicants or applicants, and if they get hired, you get paid. So I hear that you get paid a lot if you do it, but this is not a typical job. So basically you have to have some experience, not like in call center or McDonald's. You've worked there, you have that type of experience, you need experience. So if that's not for you, then no, don't do it. Another thing that you can use is Pleio. So basically, you're calling old people and you're reminding them to take their medicine, etc. You have to be 18 to make sure you have your background checked. So as long as you haven't done anything crazy, this job is for you. Shipt. So basically, you go to the grocery store and you buy the stuff that the customer needs, and you deliver it to them and you get paid. Roadie. So basically, you're delivering, once again, anything to anybody. So basically, those other two jobs I just said, which is Shipt and Roadie, you need a car. You need some good transportation. Amazon Flex, same thing, different name. you're delivering Amazon packages to people. You have to be 18 and you have to have a phone, you know, so that you can download the app. Make sure you deliver these things to the people. You can get $18 to $25 an hour. Vayable. You walk around and you show people around your city. Same with Showaround and Gigwalk is almost the same way. I'll also list this down in the description box, so I know I'm talking fast. I want this to be quick and short. So Gigwalk, you walk around and you're finishing tasks for people. It's really self-explanatory, kind of. You download the app or you go on the site and you go around and you look for things that they're asking you to do. Back to Roadie. Roadie is good for you if you're on going from point A to point B and they need you to do something from point A to point B. So let's say point A is your house and point B is the corner store. You could be delivering something from somewhere by your house and you have to go to the corner store, so on your way to the corner store you could drop off that package that's basically on your way to the corner store. All right, Amazon home services. So if you're really good at mowing somebody's lawn, if you're a nanny or you're able to fix things, etc., and you want to put those techniques to use, home services is free. Amazon home services is free. So you put them on there and then whoever books you, books you. Lastly, take lessons. Take lessons is basically you can go in there and whatever you know how to do, whatever you're good at, and you know that you could teach somebody, you can go there and you could put your services on there and people will book you for whatever you put on there. So that's all of it. But the very last thing I'm gonna tell you to do, $50. Yeah. You can get $50 or more if you push. If you really push, you can get $50 or more. So it's called Coast Marketing. I've talked about this already in one of my previous videos. Coast Marketing is basically a company that uses your Facebook, the business side of Facebook, to promote another business. So all you need is a computer and Wi-Fi and a phone and you're good to go. So I will leave that in the description box below and make sure you use my referral code whenever. Hi guys, I'm so sorry for the ending clip. I was basically saying to use my referral code when you sign up for Coast Marketing. I get an extra 20, you get your 50. So basically just click that description box, the link in the description box below, and without further ado, I will be ending this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Please like, comment, and share if you're not new. Bye guys.